Hello everyone, this is Jim from the Art of Finance. Welcome back to our channel. So today we will cover three topics, three charts again, like always. All right, the first one is silver, second one is natural gas, and the last one is Bitcoin prices and chart. Let's start with silver. Before we start, I just want to make sure that we have received data, manufacturing PMI data from Europe, and they were mixed, but overall less decline, because on manufacturing side, actually because of the chip shortages and then this pandemic issue, and a lot of people were expecting less, a lot of people expecting more decline and less productivity in manufacturing side, but it didn't happen like that. Still, we are suffering, the companies are suffering these chip shortages, semiconductor shortages, but it hasn't seen that much effect on the market. Maybe next month it will be felt more harshly. All right, let's start with silver prices. As you can see, with the silver prices right now, it has just declined for a few hours, and from this point, actually it's a good point for if you just start to rebound from here. It's a nice place to buy because it has happened on these levels. It just accumulated some, then it just made a really nice rally upside. So these may be some correction, and we may see another hike on that one. So to understand that one, we should watch the prices, and when we see a rebound is happening, we can just open our position and then make profit in silver. In silver, because of the contract size, we are making a lot of good money. That's really nice profit maker instrument. All right, let's go to natural gas prices. And we are on natural gas prices chart. Here is really big decline until to 5.20 level. Then from that point, it just remembered that we are getting into winter. So at the beginning of November, the weather in Europe and then America, in China, started to feel like winter, and the market makers and then people just realized that, oh, there is a demand for natural gas, and right now it's just going higher. So right now, this is an important area. If we see these trends not consolidating on this area just like this, and if we see some more green candles, then just buy natural gas, and the next stop will be 582. It will just make another trial to this point, because on the winter time the demand for natural gas is getting higher and higher. That's why it's important, it's a good chance to buy natural gas from these prices. But as I said, first we have to see that this support line will just work, and then it will just support the price, and it won't do the same correlation, the same movements like here. Then instead it will just make this one or this one. If you see this pattern, then definitely just buy the natural gas, and you can just make really good profit on this one. All right, let's look at what's happening in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is finally moving in good way, because let's check. Each candle represents 4 hours. In the last 8 hours, it has just risen to 63 area and getting away from this support line. This is the most feared area level for crypto investor, because if this support line doesn't work, a panic sale will start on these and people will just start to make sell off. Just like in here, you see people just get feel that it's not moving and then it just stopped there. In a sudden move, it just tested 57 area in just 4 hours. Reason is people fear that they don't want to be on reverse or in negative territory for a long time, because on Bitcoin these levels, 61k level, is so much critic. As long as it is above that area and then 64, 65, even that one, then we may see another trial of all-time high level 67 area, and then after that one, that resistance, if the resistance passed away quickly, the next target will be 75k, because everybody is just telling this one. But as I said, we have to make first 65 and then close the date like that. These may something, this point, just a similar point, you see, from 59 to 63 area, the same area, and countered another resistance and fell down. If we just pass quickly this one, we will just go higher levels. If we don't, then just go back, sell and take your money if you see that trend, because this area has worked like that. This is not the first time, this is not that one. Another time you see after all the time high, and another first on 23 of October, and another one 25th of October, getting closer on 29th, and 2nd of November it's trying again. So this area has been tried many times, and each time has encountered with a high resistance. If it can pass this area, then we will see another decline, and on a sell position you can take your profit. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news tomorrow morning, intraday analysis, and take care of yourself, and don't forget to take profit when you see on your account. Always, as I said, 1 is bigger than 0. Have a nice day. Bye.